Alright, this is a tutorial I decided to make because I couldn't find it anywhere else online. I'm pretty sure everyone who uses Ubuntu is familiar with this background. It's called Cosmos. It has all these space pictures. It's pictures of the galaxy and things like that. Well, it changes every so often, the picture. So I found a way to use this to make your own pictures as background images that change. If you go into USR/share/backgrounds, you'll see the folder here, Cosmos. This is the file you'll need to copy. So this background-1.xml. Let's copy that. I made a folder already called Wallpaper. I downloaded these 10 backgrounds from Google. I just put in Ubuntu and I put my screen resolution, which is 1400 by 900, 1440 by 900. So if we open it with gedit, I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. We'll be able to, if we open it with gedit, let me just explain this. Pretty much you can leave all this stuff, the date, you can change it if you feel like it, all this stuff here, but this is what we'll be changing. You see all of these names, these are the pictures, and basically we'll change there's one, this says how long it'll stay, this one here says how long it will stay, and this one does the switch from one picture to the next. So I figured these numbers, 30 equals about a minute. So I'm assuming 1.0 is 2 seconds, but I'm not 100% sure. So with this, we just basically copy and paste. And just remember, this is cloud.jpg. So everywhere that we see cloud.jpg, we'll just paste this in. So that's here and here. And now this one switches from cloud to comet. These are the transitions. This is it here, transition. So I'll just pick a next one, and basically I could skip through this. I guess I will if I figure out how to edit. I'm not a tutorial guy. I'm just trying to put this out. So, and this one says the duration it's going to stay. So comet, we replace it with the same one, and then we do it again because it's going from this comet, which we change into this one, into the next one, and the next one would be this one. So just copy and paste. It's very simple as long as you already have the pictures. I'm gonna try to speed this up because, and this is how long it's gonna stay. I messed up. And then this is the transition. So it's going to change from this picture to the next one, which is this. And I hope I don't get in trouble for using these pictures. Like I said, I just searched Google. If anyone owns these pictures, I like your pictures. If I need permission, I'm sorry. I'll take this video down. I'm not a partner. I'm not making no money off of this. I just figured somebody would want to see this. So, all right. And this is a transition to the next picture. Basically, you copy every picture 3 times except the first one. So even if I edit this out, I have to show you guys the last and first, because you have the first picture you put in, you have to put as the last so it can reset itself. Okay. Galaxy and C. Each one we change it to this. This is the duration, how long it's gonna stay, and then the switch. So Galaxy and C, we change it to our picture, and then to the next one, which is this. Just copy the picture and start replacing this one, Helix Nebula. Just replace it with this picture. That was the transition. This is the duration. This is the transition again to switch it to the next picture. And this is the next picture. I'll probably try to edit this out, even though I have no idea how to edit at this point on. I'm not, you know, I'm not that skilled. I'm pretty sure I can, I just never have. I feel like I did something wrong, right? No. All right, I'm probably gonna try to edit that stuff out. If not, just bear with me until we get all these pictures in. And if anybody knows a faster way I can do this, please let me know. But it's a pretty cool effect because you get to change your background, and you could do it whenever you feel. You know, you can use whatever pictures you want instead of those generic, you know, space pictures that come. I looked all over the internet for something that could do this, but not a program. I just wanted to be able to do it with pictures, but there didn't seem to be one. Okay, here. All right, that was the last one. Now, you see, this one transitioned back into cloud. Remember, the first one was cloud, so that way it can keep looping. So whatever picture you put in as the first, which was this, the first picture we put in, see, because we put in everything 3 times. This one we only put in twice. We have to put it back down as the last one so that it will re-loop. Because in that case, you wouldn't, you know, it would mess up the code. So make sure that the first picture you put in and the last picture you put in are the same thing. So it turns back to the first one and it just resets itself. Also, with this time here, this is a very long time. So what I'm gonna do is try to replace it. I know there's a replace. Okay, here it is. So I'm gonna replace all those with something like 6 point. Oh, sorry, I'm doing this in the dark too. So I just replaced all of them with 6.0, which should be something like 3 seconds or something. I'm not exactly sure. So I'm gonna save this. Now remember, I saved it into this folder here, wallpaper. You could save it on your desktop or whatever. And then we're gonna test it right now and hopefully it works. I'm sorry. You go to add, and then you go into the, oh Jesus Christ, I didn't want all that showing. You go in here, all files, and it should show it background1.xml, and it should change pretty fast because I set it to 6. Remember I said I believe 15 equaled a minute, or 15 equaled half a minute. So I think 1 equals 2 seconds. And you see the picture switched pretty quick there. But you can stretch the time out yourself and try to figure out. Somebody could figure out what the time is. You can tell me exactly, like how to get 10 minutes on this. I would appreciate that too. But this is basically the effect you get. And the fade is 5.0, which I think is 2.5 seconds. All right, it's a pretty simple tutorial. Hopefully it'll help somebody out. And I hope that people will use this. And if you like it, thank me. If somebody else has already done this, I'm sorry, but I haven't seen it. All right, guys, I'm out.